After those reports, we see a slavery taking shape from 1492. They went back to 1493.
Urukugambirira amahe hagebe mbiro kushwijuma hamwe no kucencura barukwenda kuzo mahe Major Edward Birungi yagira ngo abantu ababire nubenda nibingana birenkaga konka nko kuba batira hankara abantu 19 na mukaga nibo bonka bizire kucencurwamo kandi 18 nibo bonka abahingura kuza kutendekwa eco nikimanyisa ngo abantu nshanje na babiri tubaboneka ecyatuma mubare gwayanga kwika
nureba ngo bamweti baratungire na time yo kwija ku reportinga but at least igana chenera mukaga tuba screeningire mu bicwe kabe nkabishatu tuba screeningire medically twaba screeninga kurugire bihandiko byabo bibashomireho hamwe n'endanga muntu. So out of 196 aba reportingire ababire successful ni igana 88.
Major Edward Birungi yagira ngo aba batarabereho bashangirwe bamwe bine bizobyendwara hamwe n'enshonga zabo kandi abo habatizire kucencurwamo cyakamanyweje kurungi ekibazibire kwija.
Some of the reasons bizatuma tutafuna inamba yitwabere ntwenda no burwiri inabarwire abo twashangiremo ababire ba reportingire kwenda ngo bajoining amahe bino burwire nko bw'amazomba ni gatulira so twakutwara wabo inamazomba twinama bine pressure yoto kamaraho training ine pressure because exercise yuba kubarabiyamu ni binji.
Major Edward Birungi yagira ngo aba batoranwa kubara amare kutendekwa emyezi mwenda nibija kusindukwa mu myanya itari emwe nemwe kandi aba bataho mahe konka bine bashomere nibija kutibwa n'abatahi babo mahe okoremera mu yamahe.
Now like we have categories eza abarabamu twatwine professionals twine regular abakuzamu bamazire senior 4 nibo tukweta regular, then professionals ni batandika hali senior 6 hamwe na diploma and degrees. So ababo already have something to base on to polish kugira ngo at least yaba ine senior 6 na basakufuna degree in military science which we have.
Major Edward Birungi yajango tubabwine buremezi bwa bamwe okushanga bine kubagamba aho bicupwire.
Forged documents zabire zitarimo to be sincere. Abana buri omwena yabire aine original documents zeye. Kungano manyangu ebintebi bimwe birakira kujabiriza abana kushanga ngo bamutuma originals konka weyija na duplicates eziba photocopying.
Respect to civilians because they are our superior and they are leaders. You get that? So we UPDF and civilians, we are like a fish and the water. You get a situation when you pick a fish from water and put it at a pipe. You need a bullet to kill it.
General James Kasure yagambira bahandikwa ngo mahe bintu mdumizo mukuru omwe or commander in chief kandi or president wihanga nuko kubasha bangu hebyo butegeke mu mahe babireke n'enshonga zebina byabo basijo wabo.
One commander in chief, who the president. You get that? So he belonging to no DP, where we don't have it in the army. We have only one what? Commander in chief. Commander in chief. So if you have your kind of party, you leave it here in this field. There, for us, we are UPDF, we are the force of all Ugandans.
Omugambirizi w'amahe w'enkambi ya kabiri Lieutenant Colonel Nicholas Rwechitira Kakuru yashobora kono batekwa kugira imico mirungi baba besugwa okuba bekambi okwehayo okuhereza ihanga hamwe no kwikiririza mu rubakama babo mu bindi nyamwinji.
They are required to accept without reservation that they must carry out their mission and tasks regardless of personal discomfort.
Obwa hati abantu omutwaro gumwe na bibiri otwarire mwabo abamazire senior yakana eya mukaga hamwe nabo abine bashomire baza kutandika kutendekwaho kumara mezi mwenda. Gasha kwa Jimmy Emmanuel ahawata ya West.
A team of more than 20 people to see that the task